This is our new Max-Ax single phase lock splitter. It is 230 volts, 50 Hertz, 360 watts, log capacity 1100 millimeters. Its force is 16 ton. The machine itself weighs 255 kilos. It comes with an on-off switch, an emergency disconnecting switch. It's a 16 amp plug. Yep. It comes with a copper wire motor, so there's no worries of overheating. Comes with pneumatic wheels, pumped 15-inch tires on it, so easy to move around. This is a 2-speed hydraulic pump, very fast. This is the transport handle, it's stored away and for moving around the workshop. Easily back. It's a very portable machine, due to the handle and pneumatic air wheels. This is the oil reservoir and the filler cap and a dipstick, and there's marks here just to tell where the correct level of oil. So always important, and it's said on the top of the cap, loosen cap when operating. This machine takes approximately 18 litres of Maxol hydraulic 46 oil. This is its low high powered speed. That means a lever halfway is down, and for full high powered speed, 2 levers pulled together. This is a log lifter for heavy logs. As the ram goes up, the chain pulls up the log. Useful for heavy long logs. This is the depth control. This decides the height that you want the ram to come up and down. We will show later. This all kit in is for, you take this out, you take away the rotating table. You want to split bigger logs closer to the ground, which you can lift. It's a quick attach table, checker plate for grip, both on the floor, both on the top of the table. This is an extremely heavy duty ram with a tapered axe for quicker splitting. This is the 4-way axe, quick attach, and just squeeze with a wrist. Very well made 4-way axe. A little bit of maintenance to this machine is a little bit of grease or rub a bit of oil here with a paintbrush from time to time so the plastic bushings run smoothly. We put back on the rotating table. Simply swing bracket across, drop the pin, in with the R clip, same with the bottom, squeeze the wing nut. This R clip controls the height of the X and comes down to this table. It cannot come down any further than that now. Even if we keep the levers pulled, it will stop here. In operating the machine, pull the two levers down for high speed, and if you come across hard timber, just let one, as Mick is describing there, one lever up slightly and she cuts into slow powerful speed. We will now do a short demonstration of the machine running. These two brackets here are for knocking off the log if the 4x falls down and the log wants to come with it attached to the pushes off the log there. These two brackets. This is a very well made machine. It is CE certified and it comes with 12 months manufacturer's warranty from Hartnett products. It's important to let this machine run for 4 or 5 minutes to let the hydraulic oil warm up before operating. All these machines are full of oil and ready to operate on collection or on delivery by courier. Comes with an operator's manual. Full specification is in this manual. Thanks for watching our video. or 20 ton PTO, 3-point linkage, log splitter.